Look at this. Are you kidding? If you're like me and you wake up with your hair flat to your head, I have the secret for you. Color Wow's Raise the Root. This is the easiest way to just boost your volume without having to rewash your hair. It takes 2 seconds and I'm just gonna show you how it works. Just gonna pick up the front of your hair, spray a couple sprays in, do some on the side, over here. Maybe you want a little lift here, and watch the magic. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Wow. Okay. So you saw how flat that was. Now look at all this lift. And that is Raise the Root by Color Wow. 2 minutes and I've transformed my hair. And you guys can do it too. Trust me. Check it out.